Now next up, here comes the AYAMAYA Top Quilt, which offers a versatile 3-in-1 design that allows you to use it as a top quilt, a camp blanket, or as a sleeping bag. Made of 20D ripstop nylon shell with a DWR coating and 300T soft polyester pongee lining, this top quilt feels warm, cozy, and keeps you protected from cold winter nights. Due to its hollowed back design, it achieves a perfect balance between heat retention and filling distribution when used with a sleeping mat, making a great option for those who feel enclosed in sleeping bags. Moreover, it also has a pleasant temperature ranging from 35 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit. The elastic neck enclosure can be tightened to ensure heat stays inside, while the snap closures make it super convenient to close and open the quilt. Besides, there are 2 loops at the bottom that can be fixed to the hammock with the rope, while the sealed foot box reduces any drafts through the bottom to bring warmth for you. Weighing at only 3.44 pounds, this top quilt spreads out to 6.5 feet long, 2.8 feet wide to offer you plenty of sleeping space. Additionally, it comes with a stuff sack with which you can carry the top quilt to your campsite pretty easily, making it a wonderful top quilt no matter if you're hiking, backpacking, or camping.